This is a 9139 Privacy Mortise Lock set. Typically, this would be used on a bedroom, a bathroom, restroom, and it's a pretty simple function. It features lever trim, knob trim, lever or knob. There's a latch bolt and a deadbolt. Okay, and you'll notice on the exterior, there's a coin turn, emergency coin turn, and a turn piece on the inside. And the basic function is when the deadbolt is retracted, it's a passage set. So you can, outside's unlocked, inside always free egress. But I can throw the deadbolt, which creates privacy, locking the outside lever, but the inside lever, always free egress, which then unlocks the outside lever. This is a coin turn, so I could use a flathead screwdriver, a dime, nickel, a quarter, if people even have those anymore. And you can simply just rotate that, and you'll see that if I rotate it, it pulls the bolt back if you needed emergency access. So a 9139 Privacy. You could also get a 9139 OI, or occupancy indicator. So on the exterior side, you would have this escutcheon with the coin turn. Again, you could grab this with some pliers, or you could stick a coin in there and rotate it on the arrow. But it's telling you if the door is locked or unlocked, or occupied, unoccupied.